you living in Spain and finding yourself on websites that only come in Spanish? Let me help you navigate them. Hello and welcome to another Spanish lesson with me, Eva. Today, as promised, I will help you navigate those websites that unfortunately only come in Spanish. If you're living in Spain, if you're relocated to Spain, you will find that most Spanish websites will only come in Spanish, and sometimes if they are government related, they will also have the option of changing the language to one of the 3 other official languages in Spain. Gallego, spoken in Galicia, Catalan, spoken in Catalonia, and Basco, spoken in the Basque country or País Vasco. Okay, so I'm assuming that that you don't speak those 3 either. So let's just start with Spanish because that's the only one I can help you with. Unfortunately, I don't speak any of the other 3. So the websites that you are now finding yourself on only come in Spanish, and you don't know what to do, what they're asking you to do, because you just don't understand the words. So let's see some useful vocabulary that you should find helpful. Okay, good. So a website in Spanish is called una página web. Página web is a website. An email address is correo electrónico. Correo electrónico, sometimes also called email, okay? Even the Spanish, they use the English word sometimes, but you might come across a website where they ask you to write your email, and they won't call it email, they will say correo electrónico, okay? So they are asking you for your email. Maybe you have to register with the website. Maybe they are asking you to pick a user name, in which case they will say nombre de usuario. Okay? Sometimes maybe just usuario, user or user name. Okay? They will ask you to choose a password, and a password in Spanish is contraseña. Okay? Contraseña is a password in Spanish. They might give you some instructions or rules what the password should look like. They might say a minimum of, I don't know, 6 or 8 characters, at least 1 number, at least 1 uppercase, etc. Okay, so lowercase or uppercase are minúscula, lowercase, and mayúscula, uppercase. If they require you to use at least 1 digit, dígito, okay, dígito, easy to understand, a digit, okay, good. An account, when they say in order to continue on this website or to shop here or whatever, you need to create an account. Cuenta, an account, no? And if you already have an account with them, if you are already registered with the website, you will have the option of directly signing in or logging in, which in Spanish might be acceder, okay, which means to log in or sign in, or iniciar, sorry, I will do it like this, iniciar sesión, or entrar. Okay, all of these stand for logging in or signing in. Okay, that's once you've already created an account with them. If you haven't got an account with them, they will tell you to register or to create an account or registrarse. Okay, so first you will have to go through the process of creating an account, and once you've got an account, once you've got your username, your password, you will be able to log in, which again in Spanish is acceder, iniciar sesión, or entrar. Okay, good. Okay, then you might have to, I don't know, fill in some information or create your profile, which in Spanish is perfil. Okay, maybe they will ask you to upload a photograph, maybe, no? So upload is subir, or if you are downloading something, then that in Spanish is descargar. Okay, so subir is upload and descargar is download. Okay, good. Once you've filled out all the information, maybe for your profile or something, they will say save the information, or maybe you want to make some changes, edit your profile, and then at the end you want to make sure that those changes are registered or reflected, in which case you want to save them, or in Spanish, guardar. Okay, good. If you need to change something, you might have to go to settings. In Spanish, they're called ajustes. Ajustes are settings. A lot of these words will come in handy also for your mobile phone. Although with a mobile phone you can easily change it to a different language. You're not obliged to do it in Spanish, but with some websites, especially if you're looking at them on your phone, you're just stuck with Spanish. I know that on a desktop, at least in Google, they offer you the option of translating the website for you, but I don't know if you can do that on your phone as well. Okay, good. So ajustes are settings. And maybe just a couple of useful signs, so to speak, or symbols, not signs. This is arroba. So this will be an essential part of any email address, correo electrónico, arroba. And then hashtag in Spanish is almohadilla. Okay, almohadilla. Or when it comes to social media, and we are talking about your sort of user name, and it's hashtag something, or just hashtags on Instagram, I think. I'm not I'm not too big on social media, so I don't know exactly how it works. In that case, the hashtag will also be called etiqueta. Okay, I think almohadilla is more when you're making a phone call and you get a recorded message, and they say if you want to reach, I don't know what department, dial whatever number, and then finish off with almohadilla. So after dialing, I don't know, the number 357, you need to also press the hashtag number sign as well. Okay, so on the phone with phone calls, they will refer to this symbol as almohadilla, but on internet or in social media, a hashtag is etiqueta. Okay, good. Okay, well, that's all for today. I hope this will give you confidence, this will give you a boost, and you won't panic when you land on a website that's only in Spanish. Okay, great. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed this lesson. I hope you find it useful. Do subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying my lessons. Do hit the bell button as well. And if you wish, like the videos below. Okay, take care and I'll see you soon.